Wow. Wow.
Just breathe through your nose. Just like that.
You hear a pop? Oh. Good, one more. Got it.
Just relax. Oh yeah. Yeah, boy.
Oh my God.
That's why we call it ring dinger.
You stretch the spinal
Vertebra from his neck. Drop this in my hands. You have to show Craig this. There you go. Good.
You feel that?
Yeah.
Palmer diversified rotary brake. There you go. Oh yeah, Crack Egg's gonna love you already.
Oh, that's the big one. Oh God. Nice.
Already moved. Wonderful. Another one this way. Very good.
Oh my goodness, that was so fantastic!
Did you feel it all the way down?
Yes.
Yep. I did. I just wanted you to say it for our YouTube fans.
Good. Nice. Get it like that. And get that one too.
Woo.
Just relax. Oh yeah, boy. That was a home run.
Oh yeah.
Ay, ay, ay.
Oh yeah. Should have felt that go
Oh,
all
yeah.
the way down.
Oh my God.
There we go. That's it. Keep your teeth together. Oh yeah. You can breathe now.
Bring your head back. Soften up the SCM. Got it.
You know, it's amazing, Lance. Renee still laughs at my jokes.
No,
She's
I
heard
was
them 1,000
1,000
times.
times.
There it is.
There it is.
Mm-hmm.
We hope that when you come here, there you go. Good. Did you feel that all the way down?
Yep.
Yeah, home run. There. Got one more over here. There you go. Good. A little more significant in person, isn't it?
Oh, it is.
There you go. Perfect. So bring it to tension. And then just hit it. Yep. Felt that all the way down, huh?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Boy, that was good. Smooth as silk. Didn't get much better than that.
Oh, yeah.
Was that okay?
Mm-hmm, it was.
Good. And there's one here.
There we go. There. Now you and Michelle have also taken advantage of. There we go. There we go. Boy, I know you felt that one all the way down.
Oh yeah.